Hi, it's Dr. Jeffrey Gerdes here, your Raleigh, North Carolina chiropractor, and today we're going to be doing a full spine adjustment on our patient here, Sarah. She's been having some neck pain, some upper back stiffness, and some lower back pain, so we're going to try and get her feeling better. So let's take a look here. Can you turn your head? We're going to check some ranges of motion. Turn your head all the way to the right. Good, good. All the way to the left. Okay, good. And then we're gonna look up and down all the way. Good, good. Okay, so her range of motions are okay, but she is experiencing some neck pain. So let's take a look. Can you lay face down here on the table? Good. Just come here, feel some of the joints. Good. Feel where some of the tender areas are and where some of the muscle tightness is coming from. Okay, let's take a look. Can you go face up on the table? There's some joint restriction right here in her upper cervical spine. We're going to go right into that. Very good. Same here. We can feel some restriction down at the bottom of her neck at C6, C7. Good. We're now going to go into the thoracic spine. We have the patient cross both arms. Good. Scoot down a little. Good. Very good. And now we're going to check the patient's lower back. Let's go face down. So we're going to do a leg check to check her pelvis. Both legs up here. Good. As you can see, her left leg is just slightly shorter than her right. And we're going to go into her left sacroiliac joint and try and balance this out. Let's have the patient lay here on her side, face me. Good. And we can feel the restriction here in the pelvis. We're going to go right into that joint and realign it. Great. Let's go on the other side. You can feel the lumbars here, slightly misaligned. I'm going to go in, push right on the lumbar joint. Very good. And let's check our pelvis. We'll go face down again. Good. And as you can see, the legs are almost even, so we've balanced out our pelvis. Sarah, let's come on up. There you have it, folks. It's a full spine chiropractic adjustment. It's your Raleigh chiropractor, Dr. Jeffrey Gerdes. Until next time, we'll see you then. Thank you.